Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with another manifesting technique. Today we're going to focus on the Nikola Tesla's 369 method, but we're going to look at it in a different way. In fact, we're going to be speaking it. So if you're having a problem of doing this 369 method scripting, or don't like to write, or looking for an alternative method to the 369, you landed on the right video. Today we're going to discuss this in full, and by the time you finish watching this video, you will know exactly what to do. I am asking you to watch this video all the way through if you're really serious about changing your life. A couple of minutes to change your life is not asking a lot. For those of you that don't know this channel, this is a manifesting, law of attraction, metaphysical channel that gives information in an easy to understand manner. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more videos like this. So come on and join the family. There's a lot of information here to help you fulfill all your dreams. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this method and how it can help you? Now, if you haven't seen my 369 videos, please go to my homepage, to the playlist, and look up scripting. There you will find the 369 videos when it comes down to scripting. Today we're going to focus on affirmations or verbalizing the 369 method. Now again, by the time you finish watching this video, you will know exactly what to do, and many of you are going to see results very fast. Now, if you're not familiar with the 369 method, this is something that Nikola Tesla firmly believed in, that these numbers were sacred numbers, that basically the whole universe was based around these numbers, and they were the numbers for manifestation. So now, what are we going to do with this number? Now, if you know anything about scripting and you know anything about the 369 method, we took an affirmation, or we took something that we wanted, and we wrote it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. But for this technique, we're going to verbalize it. Now, I do need you guys to listen to this all the way through so that you firmly understand what I am telling you to do. So the first thing I'm asking you to do is to know what it is that you want. Now listen, it could be a house, it could be a car, it could be $50,000, it could be good health, it could be love. Whatever it is, I need you to know exactly what it is that you want, what you desire. Why? Because we're going to look at our lives as a ship, as a plane. And this plane is going to take you to your destination. So if you don't know exactly what it is that you want, and more importantly, why, you will not get there. So the first thing is to know what it is that you want. The second thing I'm going to tell you to do is that you're going to create a verbal phrase that is basically going to represent you having what it is that you want. So it's going to be more like, thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000. At this moment, I received the $50,000. It came in expected and unexpected ways. It came in a good way, and I am going to use this money wisely. You are going to create something that basically states that you have received what it is that you want. Now, again, you're going to do it as if it is already done, and you're going to do it in a way that you're grateful. You're grateful because it has already occurred, or the universe has already blessed you with it. So now, what are we going to do with this? You're going to find a nice time during the day to actually recite this. So you're going to do it in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Now, because we're verbalizing this could very much easily be done 9 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, 6 in the afternoon, or 9 at night. Now, I highly recommend that you do this in the morning when getting up, and do this at night before going to bed, because these are the times where we can impregnate into our subconscious mind more easily, okay? So it's very important to do this in the morning and at night. Now, the other time is somewhere in the afternoon. If you work, you can do this during your lunch break. But you will be reciting this 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. So now, while you're doing this, I need you to actually feel whatever it is that you want. So let's just say you want that $50,000, and you're stating what I just stated earlier. You're going to state it as if it's already done, and you're going to feel the excitement, Feel the joy that you would feel if this was actually true. Remember, the subconscious mind do not know the difference between what is real and what is not. And if you don't believe so, just think of a lemon at this moment. Picture a lemon in your head and you will start to salivate, or you will get a bitter taste in your mouth. By repeating what it is that you want numerous times, you are impregnating in your subconscious mind that this is so in your life, and this is what you connect with. Now, I want to give you a little tip about this. While you are verbalizing this, if you are good at visualization, I would very much well be visualizing myself getting whatever it is that I want. So as you're stating, thank you, God, for blessing me with the $50,000. I now have the $50,000 that came in an easy way, in expected and unexpected ways. As you're stating this, I need you to visualize either yourself going to the mailbox, opening it up, and seeing a check in there for $50,000, or yourself being at the bank, signing the back of a check for $50,000. Whatever it is to make it as real as possible in your life, you do that. But so it's not mandatory that you do it, because just speaking it alone is going to get you there. But I want you also, if you can, to visualize what it is that you want and feel what it is that you want, so that it is as real as possible for your subconscious mind. Now, moving forward, what is crucial to the success of this working? Not only are you speaking it, as I stated before, and feeling it, I want you really to put your five senses in it. I want you to feel the joy, the happiness, the love, whatever it is that you're asking for. If it's the love of your life, I want you to see your hand and see the ring on your finger and feel your heart palpitate as this ring is being placed on your finger. Why am I doing this again? It's because whatever it is, we need to make sure your subconscious mind absorbs whatever it is that you're putting out there. And by you saying it 3 times in the morning and visualizing while you're doing this what you're having and feeling it, and then doing it again in the afternoon and then again at night, you are absolutely going to get whatever it is that you want. Now, one thing that I can say, some of you might say, well, Yvette, do I say it one after another? Yes, you can say it 3 times back to back, visualizing the same time, or you can do it while you're in the bed, getting out of the bed, maybe in the shower. You can, but keep it in the morning around the same time. And one thing that I will tell you is to make sure whatever you're saying is consistent throughout the day. You can't say 50,000 in the morning and in the afternoon saying 100,000. It is just not going to work. So again, I'm asking you to know exactly what it is that you want before you do this, so that whatever it is can come true. So let's go over this one more time so you guys understand what it is you're going to do. You're going to know exactly what it is that you want. You're going to make a statement that you already have it in a way that you are grateful. Like, thank you, God, for my successful business. At this point, I am in my business and I am very happy. I have loads of people coming in the door, more than I can absolutely handle. At this point, money is coming in, success is coming in, and God, I want to thank you. Then once you do that, I want you to thank the universe. Again, being grateful for whatever it is that you want ahead of time opens the path for success for you. Once you do that, I want you to do it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. And you're going to repeat it over and over and over again. And then you're going to say it is done. Now, how long are you going to do this? You're going to do this for at least 28 days. But for me, I would just look at it as 30 days, because you're keeping it in the threes. You can do it for 30 days, 33 days, 36 days, whatever it is that you want. Now, some of you will get results right away within the first week, the first day. Others may get it in a couple of weeks or the full month. And some of you might take a little longer, depending on what it is you're asking for. The thing is if this is what you truly want, you will achieve it. You will continue doing what I'm asking you to do, and it will manifest. It has to, because it's law. If your focus is on making that $50,000, that $50,000 has to come to you. If it's 100,000, if it's a million, if it's a business, if it's health, you have to give the universe time to work through you to open the doors. So right now, I just gave you guys an alternative way of using the 369 method instead of scripting. You are now going to verbalize it and let it go. Again, do this for 30 days, and I'm sure you guys are going to write me telling me that it actually worked. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and this is the Manifesting Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that gives you information that you can understand. If you want more videos like this, whether it's affirmation, scripting, cinnamon, Bailey's, prayer, everything you will find here all in one place. So join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, please look in the description. Everything is there, from coaching, from readings to candles, crystals, sage, bracelets. Whatever it is that you want is all here. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.